A lot of you might be staying at home now for work, which can lead to a lot of sitting for work that you might not have had before, maybe you did have before. I've talked about this a little bit before, but it's something to be careful of is watching your posture while sitting. It's really well documented that if you get a lot of pressure in these upper cervical structures that I'm showing right here, that sometimes you can get headaches. Without rambling on, you can get a little pressure on nervous structures, and you can cause yourself to have little headaches. A lot of times people sit at a computer when they work from home, and what you're going to see a lot of is people getting tight in their pecs. They're going to get elongated on the muscles in their back, and they're going to get dropping down in this position because gravity is working against us. So that's when we start to get a lot of pressure up in through this region right in here. If you can see, we're typing away with bad posture. What we need to do is need to get up nice and tall so that our pecs are a little bit elongated, and we're shortening our back muscles back here to try to avoid headaches. A stretch I like to do to try to elongate the pecs like I was talking about is just a basic stretch. This is the bathroom, so you can do it anywhere. You're just going to kind of bring your arms down like this, step forward, hold for 30 seconds. Do that a couple times a day. You're trying to elongate the pecs. You want to make sure your head's not dropping forward when you stretch that way. Keep it kind of tucked in, and you're trying to stretch your pecs. But another exercise you can do is just squeezing your scapulas together, your shoulder blades. Trying to come back again, not letting your head jut forward. Just come back this way, trying to work on posture to reduce stress to the upper cervical spine and reduce headaches. All these tips and tricks are really generalized statements. If any of them give you pain, you shouldn't do them. For most effective spinal treatment for neck pain and headaches and low back pain, you really should be assessed by a physical therapist at Dash Physical Therapy. We specialize in spinal care and all kinds of orthopedic conditions. But those are some tips and tricks that you can do while some of us are forced to stay home at this time.